walks into the room, a vision of desire. Her every move sets my soul on fire. She's got that look that's hard to resist. Her confidence, baby, it can't be dismissed. Sexy, beautiful, she's got it all, got it all. She's the kind of woman that makes you fall. With a smile so captivating, she lights up the night.
Hello guys, this is my room. This is the Wow Budget Hotel, guys. It's very nice hotel, guys. Look, this is my room. That's a big mirror. They have here flat screen TV, aircon, and the big bed, guys. Nice bed. Comfortable to sleep here because it's big. And also safety box, and they have here water and telephone, and this also, guys, Ace. If you're gonna order, guys, this one, it's like sweet Choco Crispy, Coffee Crispy, Taro Crispy, Sweet Corn, Sundae Choco Cup. Yeah, this, guys. And also here, this is the coffee menu. And the bucket, guys, drinks. So 495 pesos for just 6 pieces, 5-in-1. 5-in-1 with free pulutan, chicharon, peanuts, or prawn crackers. So you can choose what you like, the pulutan, guys. And what else here? Wow, solid, guys. Here, it's cheaper, guys. 79 pesos. And yeah, this also, guys. And Tapsilog. Oh my god, it's nice room, very clean. And here, this is the shower, guys. Look, this is a shower. It's cute. Cute shower to separate, guys, the shower and the CR. So here in the right side, this is the CR, guys. Look, that is the bell and the shower gun. Okay, they have a mirror, guys, and the sink. Yeah, this is the deluxe room, guys. This is single. Yeah, nice room. And this is the channel, guys. All the channels here. Oh, here the aircon, remote for the aircon, guys. Uh, 23. Look guys, oh. 22. 22. Here na lang. 24. Ay, no. Baba. For cold. It's not cold. Okay. 19 degrees, guys. 19 degrees Celsius.
She walks into the room, a vision of desire. Her every move sets my soul on fire. She's got that look that's hard to resist.